Here are 7 recipe quick tips for the keto diet. Avocado deviled eggs. Mash ripe avocado and mix it with the egg yolk filling for a creamy and healthy twist on classic deviled eggs. Sprinkle with paprika for extra flavor. Cauliflower rice stir fry. Use grated cauliflower as a low-carb alternative to rice in a quick stir fry. Add your choice of protein and lots of colorful veggies for a tasty and nutritious meal. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Spiralize zucchini into noodle-like strands and toss them with homemade or store-bought pesto sauce. Top with grated Parmesan cheese for a satisfying pasta alternative. Egg muffins. Whisk eggs and pour them into muffin tins. Add diced vegetables, cheese, and cooked bacon or sausage. Bake until set for a convenient and protein-packed breakfast option. Cheesy broccoli bites. Mix steamed and chopped broccoli with beaten eggs and grated cheddar cheese. Spoon the mixture onto a baking sheet and bake until golden. These make great snacks or sides. Keto Smoothie Bowl. Blend unsweetened almond milk, frozen berries, spinach, and a scoop of your favorite keto-friendly protein powder. Pour into a bowl and top with sliced almonds, chia seeds, and coconut flakes. Salmon and asparagus. Place salmon fillets on a baking sheet alongside asparagus spears. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with garlic powder, and bake until the salmon is cooked through and the asparagus is tender. Remember to adjust portion sizes and ingredients based on your individual keto macros and dietary preferences. These quick and easy recipes can help you maintain a delicious and fulfilling keto diet while working towards your weight loss goals.